G'day, here's a little deal of Boulder Opal from central Queensland. They're good practice part material, not high quality, not expensive. The rules in millimetres, and the white that you see on the stone is a reflection from the video lights. Anyway, I'll zoom in. Okay, I've basically zoomed in a bit so you can get a better look at the pieces. Possibly cut that out over there. It's a bit more of fire, not a lot, but a little bit. And the swirly blue patterns here. This piece I've just thrown in. Possibly cut a little stone out of the, off the screen. Keep doing that. Little stone over here. This piece has got a little eye of better material just here. But like I said, these are only basically practice material. There's nothing in the rest of that, I don't think, you'll find. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed. It's good practice material. Cheers.